Before you use your Binance account to buy or sell cryptocurrencies, you must first secure it in order to keep your investments as safe as possible. This video will guide you through the process of securing your account. Once you have completed your account registration, you will be prompted to start enabling security features. We will first set up Google Authentication. Step 1 requires you to download the Google Authenticator app, which is available in the App Store or in the Google Play Store. You will need to download the Authenticator app onto your mobile phone. Once you have downloaded the Authenticator onto your phone, you will need to open the app and use it to scan the QR code shown on your screen in Step 2. This will link your Binance account to your Google Authenticator. Step 3 involves you backing up your Authenticator. It is extremely important that you make a note of the backup key provided and keep it in a safe place. It will enable you to recover your Authenticator account in the event that you lose or damage your mobile phone. Step 4 is the final stage of enabling Google Authenticator on your account. Follow the instructions on screen to complete the process. You will now see a green tick indicating that two-factor authenticator has now been enabled. It is now time to verify your identity. There are 3 levels of identity verification: basic, intermediate and advanced. You are required to complete the basic identity verification first and then proceed on to the intermediate verification. Once you have completed the intermediate identification verification, you will have withdrawal limits of $50,000 daily and up to $500,000 monthly. This is approximately £36,000 daily and up to £360,000 monthly. If you require a higher withdrawal limit than this, you will need to complete the advanced identity verification. We will next enable the anti-phishing code functionality. This will enable you to set a unique number, which will appear in all emails that you receive from Binance. This lets you know that the emails are genuine and not from scammers who are trying to gain access to your account and steal your cryptocurrencies. Once you create an anti-phishing code, you will be asked to enter your Google verification code. You will need to get this from the Google Authenticator app that you installed on your mobile phone. We will now turn on the withdrawal whitelist. To do this, you need to switch on the tab as highlighted on screen and follow the instructions given. Once the whitelist has successfully been switched on, click on the tab next to Address Management. Click on Add Address. You will now need to enter the details for the wallet that you wish to add to your whitelist. You will then need to complete email and Google verification in order to successfully add the new wallet to your withdrawal whitelist. The wallet address should now appear in your whitelist. And there should now be a green tick next to Turn on Withdrawal Whitelist.